Here's Mr. Rose with the special announcement. Good morning, Mr. Rose.
Good morning, Mark. It is a privilege to be here in the studio this morning, and we have Principal Core, who is going to be the acting principal and help me out today. Now, how did Lauren get chosen for this? Well, Miss Core was the one that won the raffle at the Spring Festival this past March, and we are now getting her on duty today. Some of the things she will be doing will be helping referee the kickball game today. She'll be helping me in various miscellaneous activities in the office. We'll be sending out emails, and we'll be doing probably some meetings and some reviews, some records. So Lauren's going to be helping with that, but also I want to point out this poster which advertised the opportunity for all students to be a part of Principal, and that was done by Nick Bryson. So Nicholas, we are really glad you did that, and congratulations to you, Lauren, and we're going to have a great fun day. Thank you.
Lunch menu. 4 pepper